Math 3, final benchmark, question 41. What is the equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 1/3 x minus 4 and passes through the point 5, negative 6? All right, so the first thing you need to know is what does it mean to be perpendicular? It means the slopes are opposite or negative reciprocals. So if this slope is 1/3, then the slope of a line that is perpendicular, this is a symbol for perpendicular, then the slope of a perpendicular line is -3. All right, so we need an equation of a line that's perpendicular and passes through this point. So we have a slope and we have a point. So we're going to put this in point slope form, which if you can remember is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And then we just fill in our slope and our x and y for our point. So we're going to have y minus, this is our x and this is our y. So minus a -6 is +6 is equal to our slope, which is -3, times x minus our x1, which is 5. And then if you look over here, these are all in standard form. So all we need to do is rewrite this equation where my x and y are on the same side of the equation. So I've got y plus 6 equals, I'm going to distribute this, so I'm going to have -3x and plus 15. Now move the -3x, I'm going to add it to the other side, so I'm going to have 3x plus y, and I'm going to subtract 6 from 15. If I subtract 6 from 15, I get 9. So I actually added this to both sides, and I subtracted 6 from both sides. All right, so I got 3x plus y equals 9. So when I go over here now in standard form, I can easily see that D is the correct answer. So number 41, the answer is D.